Today's recipe layers flavors and nutrition in a summer salad, raw broccoli salad. Welcome to Mediterranean Minutes, the channel where you can learn to eat the Mediterranean way every day. I have to give a big shout out to Deb Perlman of Smitten Kitchen, for she was the one who introduced me to raw broccoli salads way back in 2009. 13 years later, I'm looking for healthier ways to serve this dish, so I'm swapping out some of the buttermilk and some mayo for yogurt and adding dried cherries because while I may live in Spain, I'm still a Michigan girl at heart. The beauty of this recipe is its pure simplicity. No cooking required for a hot summer day. George harvested some broccoli this morning, so we're good to go. Plus, this recipe includes our very own honey and roasted almonds from the farm. So this humble salad represents three of the segments of the Mediterranean plate: fruits and vegetables, nuts, and dairy. So let's get started. Roast 1 cup of almonds in a 400-degree oven for 15 minutes and then cool and roughly chop. Trim the florets from 2 small heads of washed broccoli and then slice them into very thin pieces. Small dice 1/2 of a red onion. Next, finely mince 2 shallots. The sweet, tender flavor of shallots gives the dressing its signature flavor. Now, gently combine all the ingredients into one large bowl, including 1 cup of dried cherries and half the shallots. I like to use the best kitchen tool I have to mix everything together: my hands. For the dressing, combine 2/3 of a cup of yogurt with 1/3 of a cup of mayo. And now drizzle in 1 tablespoon of honey and 1 tablespoon of cider vinegar. Next, add 1 teaspoon of good spicy French mustard and more of those sweet shallots. Finish it off with a good grind of salt and pepper to your taste. Make sure to give it a taste and adjust the seasonings. I'm adding a bit more shallots and salt. Look how beautifully creamy that is. I put the salad in the refrigerator to let it chill for a few hours so that the broccoli would get nice and crunchy and all the flavors of the dressing would infuse the other ingredients. And just like that, we're ready to plate another dish that helps us eat the Mediterranean way every day. Wow, this looks so good, but I've got to taste it. The broccoli is nice and crisp. The roasted almonds add a nutty crunch, and the dressing, well, let's just say I could eat almost anything layered in this dressing. So next time, I'll have to make more.